Microjig introduces Gripper 3D Push Block. And it's the safest, most precise push block, giving you essential safety, precision, and control when feeding work through a table saw. A must-have for any table saw user, it gives you the 3 critical forces when cutting on the saw. Downward pressure, to virtually eliminate kickback and keep the workpiece down on the tabletop. Inward pressure, to keep the work against the fence and prevent wood burn. And forward pressure, to advance the cut and control both sides of the workpiece. The gripper is engineered with a powerful gripping surface that gives you far greater control and traction. And the saw blade tunnel allows the table saw blade to pass through, keeping your hands shielded the entire cut. And the adjustable center leg slides easily to accommodate a wide range of cutting dimensions and keeps a solid hold of the off-cut material. Using the gripper is simple and safe. Place the gripper on your workpiece, slide it against the fence, and guide the cut along the fence, and you'll get a safe cut.